Alright, well, here's my bike. Got my Fit Sky High bars and chromes, you can see. My Alien Nation plain black rim. My Mission Echo front hub. Pretty nice. White. Stock Kink forks. Got my Mission headset. Mission stem. My black label grips. They suck real bad. I got my stock Kink seat. Kink whip frame 2012. My clear Black Ops pedals. Man, they're real nice. You better pick some up. My limited edition diarrhea green chain. Yes. Real nice with the master link on there. My, what are they? Mission Transit cranks. My Alien Nation black sheep wheel. And then it's got the Mission React hub. Pretty nice. 25.9. It's really nice. You hear that? She's loud. Here we go. Ugh. It's real loud. Yes, pretty loud. That's my bike. Oh, I almost forgot about my Fox helmet. Keeps my eggshell pretty safe when I wreck. You know, but I don't